Hello everyone, so yeah, I dropped off the drive shafts about 5 weeks ago and now I'm just coming up to pick them up, so here we go, that's the place. This one, 112. Looks much better there. I'd take this to the drive shaft man and say, I need this there. It won't be.
It's only 14 grand away now. If you bought
So like you're all my brothers. That makes it a big difference than just going and buying something.
And that's priceless.
And that is priceless to me. It's effort, but nothing fun, nothing great comes easy. There they are.
Box of bits.
Nice. What are these rated to?
Did you have them out of the higher power material?
Yeah, I think I paid more for them. Yeah, I think it was the higher power material.
So these in solid state are good to about 600 brake horsepower.
So if anyone wanted to come and bring in shafts to be made, they can.
Yeah, as long as you've got mock-up shafts. I mean, you've had that one welded there, so that wouldn't be any good to
drive.
To use.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But as sample lengths is good. Obviously, ideally if you strip the joint apart and you can bring us the joint, or you can bring us.
So is it preferable to bring this part, or would it just the whole piece like I did?
Either or.
Yeah.
Sometimes CV joints can be a nightmare to get off. Sometimes they're really easy. It's just you look at the draw. With the joint, you're best to bring your joints because obviously that's what you're going to be using. Anything up to 1,000 brake horsepower we've had a go at, and you know, touch wood, they've been really good. People can have them gun drilled. You can have them solid state.
Yeah.
It's personal preference, and obviously what you're going to be doing with your racing car. So as long as we've got joints and reasonably good parts. I mean, people bring us joints that have like exploded, but you're not going to use them because you can't put them back together.
If you were to make this for more power, what are the 3 different procedures that you actually go through when you go through something like that?
So it's the same steel that we've used here for you.
Yeah.
So you just go to a gun drill pot, which is you've got the hole all the way through it, which is drilled and honed, and that actually makes the shaft a lot stronger.
Okay. Yeah.
Believe it or not, because you harden from the inside outwards. Just in terms of like, we do a lot of hill climb racing car stuff.
Yeah.
They're racing like 600 brake supercharged IndyCar engines and stuff like that, and they weigh like 300 kilos.
Yeah.
They're all carbon fibre.
Yeah. You said you had 2 materials that you used from this before you gun drilled it. So this is the aircraft material, I'm assuming.
That's made out of the aircraft stainless. The material that we make this for, they use on the landing stages of a A380.
Yeah.
So you can imagine the force that's coming out of the air.
Yeah.
On sort of thing. It's a really robust good for twisting. It almost like it goes back to its original state if it does twist.
And how long on average does it take you to do a shaft? Like
from start to finish, you're looking about 3 to 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Obviously with holidays and stuff coming in between, we can turn stuff around pretty quick. The same with the splines on the ends. We lose them for obviously a week heat treatment, and then they go for a straightening process. We don't actually do the gun drilling ourselves because they go on high powered machines that are, the drills are like 6 foot long. You'd have to have a massive factory for stuff like that, but they do all Formula 1 stuff, and they assure us that, you know, the work is like top drawer sort of thing. And we're sending stuff to them every week, so if we get a batch going, then we send a batch. If we get 1 or 2 go, we send 1 or 2. That's a standard heat treatment finish. People prefer to have them chemically blacked, which is just electrolyte dipping process.
Does it make a difference in strength or in durability, or is it just a colour?
It's just like an anti-corrosion.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
And the same as if I go and fetch you a sample out the shop, they've been powder coated.
Oh wow, that is really nice.
But it's again, if it's time frame and people want shafts ASAP, then it's just an aesthetic process. But there's not much difference.
No.
Obviously, it's just an extra layer of protection to the steel.
If I wanted to get something like that done later, is that possible, or is that impossible now to get done? Let's say
because the shaft is finished. It's been heat treated and straightened. If you fit them all together and you think, well, actually that looks rubbish, I want them like a nice shiny black.
Nice. And it will help. It will help against corrosion as well in the long term. So
we tend to get these done for people that race like rally stages that are going through water and sand and gravel and changing. For normal tarmac track racing, it's only going to. They are obviously the aircraft material is a really good water resistant, like corrosive material because of what they use it on aircrafts and stuff. If they have an aircraft corroding, then they won't be able to use it.
Exactly.
Which is like a lot of people use stainless in the food industry because it's a clean steel. If you have a look in the box, they're just small shafts off kit cars. So they are off a company that basically supercharged minis, and they put K20 engine minis into minis. We do various steering components as well. If you have a look in the cupboard. All to suit different tubes.
That's brilliant.
We do work with certain universities as well.
There's not many of you up and down the country. There's I've only found you and one other guy called, I think they're called Beresford or something like that up north.
There's only a few.
Took quite a bit of digging. Most places didn't even want to know when I was asking about custom drive shafts. So highly recommend you. I mean, I appreciate you doing this for me. You're literally helping me out with a dream. So
yeah, I can see that. I need